Selling online, great images sell products, but pro photography is expensive and slow. SellerPic.ai fixes that. Upload one product photo and instantly create fashion model shots, lifestyle scenes, and short videos. Perfect for Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, TikTok, and more. With SellerPic, your images don't just show, they sell. Go to your browser, type SellerPic.ai, and click the official site. Sign up using the link in the description to get free credits. Enter your details, create your account, and start transforming your product images. Once you're in, from here, you can explore powerful SellerPic tools like AI Fashion, Product Image Generator, Virtual Tryon, and Background Image Editing, and plenty more features to make your product visuals stand out and grab attention. We start with AI Fashion Models, one of SellerPic's most powerful features. Simply upload your product photo, whether it's clothing, footwear, eyewear, or accessories, and choose the type of model you want. You can select gender, body shape, skin tone, hairstyle, and pose. If you don't like any of the available models, you can click Model Maker and, with the help of AI, create your own custom model from scratch. You can also set your preferred aspect ratio so your images fit perfectly on your store, ads, or social media. The AI then places your product on the chosen or custom model, adjusting lighting, shadows, and textures to make it look like it was captured in a professional photo shoot, all without hiring models or booking studios. Click Generate to see your virtual try-on in seconds. It works the same for accessories like watches, bracelets, and rings. Turn your product image into a dynamic promo video. Click Image to Video to create a smooth, stylish clip. For more control, use Remix to fine-tune the scene. Let's move on to the Product Image Generator. This feature lets you turn a single product photo into a complete set of marketing visuals in seconds. Just upload your image. There are many models here. Select a model for your product. You can upload your own custom model here. From this menu, you can also select the category, gender, and region. Once you've set everything, click Generate. In a few seconds, your product image will be created. Now, instead of generating just a product photo, we'll create a video. Previously, we converted an image into a video, but this time we'll generate a lip sync video. After that, choose your voice from this section. You can also click View All Voices to explore more options. Next, write the text for your product and add your video prompt. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Your video will be ready in just a few seconds, giving you professional product shots ready for Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or TikTok in minutes.
Face wash effectively removes dirt, dust, and impurities while helping reduce dark circles for a fresher, brighter look.
Next, we have one of SellerPic's most powerful AI tools, Virtual Try-On for apparel. See your t-shirt, hoodie, or top on a real model with no photo shoots and no studio. Simply upload your product photo. You can either upload your own model from here or select one from the model library. You will find many models here, so choose any one you like. Once you select a model, click Confirm. You can also select a pose here. The product image will be generated according to the pose you choose. By clicking on Adjust, you can make further settings. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your product photo will appear in the selected pose. Now click on Image to Video, and within a few seconds, your product model photo will be turned into a video. SellerPic also offers a full suite of editing tools to make your products look their best. You can remove backgrounds, retouch images, and adjust colors, all with just a few clicks. These options help your product stand out, giving it a polished, professional look that's ready for your store or marketing campaigns. And that's SellerPic.ai. I can transform your product images in minutes. Before you go, don't forget to grab 15% off with my exclusive code MUB15. Click the link in the description below, use the code at checkout, and enjoy your special discount.